Welcome, this is Edmonton Real Estate Today, and I'm your host, LeRoy Warden. And today we're at Cafe Blackbird at 9640 142th Street. You gotta come down and check them out. And today I want to welcome back Sheryl Stevens of Remax Real Estate for another monthly update. Sheryl.
Good morning, LeRoy.
Good, welcome.
Nice
Good to see you again. So Sheryl, how is the market for the month of March?
You know what, we started getting a little bit busier. We took on 865 new listings for the month of March. So we're sitting just under 8,300 listings on the market as we speak.
Okay, so now that the weather's warmed up and the inventory has climbed a little, how are the sales?
Well, you know what, we actually sold 1,200 homes last month. So again, a little climbing from the last couple months.
Yes.
We're sitting at just under 3,000 homes have sold for the year.
Okay, with the inventory starting to climb and sales are starting to be in because the weather is warmer, what's happening with the average price of houses and condos?
So the average single family home price had actually dropped a little bit in March. So we're down by 1.5%. So we're sitting at just over 423,000 for a single family home.
For homes, okay.
Yeah, and condos are down just a little bit as well. I think again, due to supply and demand, so condos are sitting just over 213,000 for the average price of a condo.
All right. So the average prices are a little bit down, but we have warm weather in Edmonton and we're all super happy. So how long are things taking to sell in terms of days on market for condos and houses?
So condos were sitting at 77 days on the market.
Okay.
In single family though, again, we're selling a little quicker, but we're still at 60 days on the market.
All right.
Whereas I can tell you, like last year, we were at 50 days on the market for houses.
In the month of March last year. Okay.
So it's just interesting, just little tweaks here and there.
Okay, so compared to last year, it's not selling as quickly, but things are moving and more inventory. And I'm still celebrating the fact that we have warmer weather. So the neighborhoods that are pretty active right now in terms of sales, what is our record sale for a house and what is our record sale for our condo?
Our record sale for a house is just under $3 million over in Glenora. McTaggart had the highest priced condo sale for $629,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where do you see the market going now that things have warmed up overall?
Well, definitely there's going to be more buyers in the market. We're finding in the office right now that the phones are ringing a little bit more. There's more inquiries happening. So I think, again, interest rates have been dropping.
Yes.
So those have come down. So therefore, I do believe there'll be more buyers in the market. It's definitely still a buyer's market considering how much we have for inventory. But, you know, it just comes down to, you know, more people being able to qualify. So therefore, more homes are going to be selling.
And so for the home seller, would you have any advice for a person bringing their home to the market right now?
Well, you know what? For that home seller, the most important thing is making sure that he's got his house, you know, ready to sell. It's showing really well, and then it's priced really well. And I find because there's still so much inventory, you know, they're going to do better by pricing it at market value instead of trying to get that extra, you know, few percent or a few $1,000s. Yes. I find that if they price it well from the beginning, they're going to hold on to their price point better in negotiations compared to if they're sort of chasing that market to get theirs sold over the 5 others on their block.
Okay. All right. Well, Sheryl, I want to thank you so much again for bringing us up to date on what's happening in the market, and we look forward to what you have to share with us next month.
No problem.
All
Thanks
right?
again.
So, all right, thanks.